Okay, the last time we focused in on the planet, our planet.
Yes.
Now we're going to broaden it out.
Let's
go to space, friend.
All right,
let's go to
first, let's start with gravity.
Okay.
So everybody knows Newton and his apple. Gravity affects us here on Earth, but gravity affects everything in the universe as well. So we're going to come over here. We have a gravity well. It's a way to demonstrate how gravity works.
Okay.
So I'm going to take this ball bearing. It's pretty heavy. It's about 2 pounds. And this is going to represent a big object, like the sun.
Okay.
So I'm going to put that in the middle of the gravity well. And you see how it pulls the fabric in towards it. So now what we can do is we can take these other objects and we can try to get them into orbit around this large object.
Okay, okay.
Gravity is what causes things to orbit. So we could say that this is maybe the Earth. And we're just going to give it a little spin.
Whoa.
And it goes off the edge.
Here you go. Here's another one for you.
Practice makes perfect. Here we go. All right, give it a try. We've got lots of different things to choose from. See if you can get something in orbit. There you go.
Around. Feeling it, feeling it.
Yeah. So the smaller object is pulled towards the larger object. Now, obviously, in real life, things don't fall into the sun. That's because there's no friction from the fabric.
Oh, I see.
But still a really cool way to see how gravity works.
That actually is a great demonstration. I wasn't sure what you were going to do there, Caitlin. What you got here?
So, NASA's also interested in looking for life outside of planet Earth. And we know that Earth exists here. The Earth is something called an ocean world. We have a lot of water. There are other places in our solar system that also have a lot of water. Some of the moons out in the outer solar system. So Jupiter has a moon called Europa, and Saturn has a moon called Enceladus. They're covered in ice, though. Underneath that ice is an underground ocean.
Okay.
There we go. So we're going to explore an ice orb. You can think of this like one of those moons. How would we explore and find out what's beneath the surface? So we've got lots of tools here that you can use. We have a magnifying glass, some toothpicks. So go ahead, take a look, see what you can find in this icy moon.
Okay. So I'm guessing you're using these to drill in?
Yeah, you can drill in, you can scrape away that ice. Pretty difficult.
Yeah, it is. Space is hard.
Yeah.
Space is hard.
But you can also see some of the things that are beneath the surface.
Oh, yeah. Like these little guys right here.
Yeah.
Would that be life?
It could be life. You have to do some exploring and find out.
Okay.
Give the magnifying glass a try.
See anything, Bob? No. Is it alive, Bob? Is it alive?
It is.
It's alive, Bob! It's alive!
Yeah, so NASA will explore the moons like those, and they could potentially find life there.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Got a big thing today. If your kids are like thinking, oh, I'd be an engineer, would be kind of cool. Got actual engineers that will be there you can talk to.
From Aerojet Rocketdyne.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I feel like I should bring my resume.
So come by from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and we'll have all kinds of kits doing all kinds of cool science.
Awesome. Thanks, Caitlin.
Thank you.
That was a lot of fun. I learned something today. Normally on the show, I don't. Back to you, Caitlin.
A lot of people learned something. Well,